Hi guys, welcome to AB Telecoms. So a quick review on some of the items I just got from AliExpress. Firstly, you are seeing the icharge 6M power station. It serves as a charging system. Okay, it is used to charge phones and also used to detect faults. Currently, you can see this Techno K7 is charging currently at 1% and is drawing a total amps of, okay, from the display you are seeing 1.2 amps, 1.1 amps at 5 volts output. Then also this is a fluid dispenser. It's used to dispense fluids or alcohol. Then thirdly, you are seeing this thermal grease, also known as thermal paste. It serves as a coolant for ICs such as GPU or power ICs on motherboards. Then also this is a magic arm. Magic arm. It has maneuverability. Okay. Then this is also a suction cup. There's a suction cup. It can be used to detach an LCD from the frame. Okay, it can be used to detach an LCD from the frame. Okay, this is where I'm testing it. Then you lock it in place. See, the frame is very strong. That's a good grip on glass surfaces. Can also be used to detach batteries. So earlier on, I bought this magic cam. I bought two so that I can be able to shoot videos at different angles. So the first one you see before is at the top. I can be shooting video directly above my head. So I want to show you guys properly. Okay, here is it. So earlier on I said it can be maneuvered. That's maneuverability. You can see. Okay, you can see it. Alright, it can be adjusted anyhow you want it to be. Then also this one is used to hold your phone in place. Okay, it can be adjusted. It has a spring built in. And this is the clamp. This is a clamp. It can be adjusted according to the size of the object. We are fixing it too. Okay, this one, this is the NCK dongle, 2-in-1 NCK dongle and also UNT dongle. It is a flashing dongle with 1 year activation, 1 year free activation. Used to flash NTK phones, Qualcomm for Spectrum and also Unisoc. Okay, this is a jumper wire. Okay, that's 0.01 millimeter thickness. It is used for micro soldering on motherboards. Okay, so I want you guys to subscribe to my Facebook and also my YouTube channel. Then I'll be dropping more videos on my tools because these tools I just received them recently. Thank you.